Hey!
My name is Patrice. His name is Pierre.
And my name is Pretty Jamila.
We are the Amazingly GayamaNZ. Today we're going to be making a DIY fidget.
We are going to make a DNA ball.
A DNA ball is a type of stress ball. It's like a clear silicone, like a ball, and then inside you can see there are like these tiny colored circles. First we'll tell you what you need.
So you need clear balloons.
And it has to be clear.
And some pom-poms, and any type of hand sanitizer.
Let's
get started.
So first we're gonna open the balloon. Each of us will be making a DNA ball. We got this from Look Sharp and it was only $4 and there are 50 balloons in.
And the pom-poms were $2.
Yeah. Okay. You take one.
Thank you. No, Pierre already has one.
Oh, do you have already one? Okay. I'll take this one. So, first, get your clear balloons, and once again, it has to be clear, otherwise you can't really see the pom-poms. Then you get your pom-poms. We only have it's not that many, so we had to divide it. This was $2 again, right?
Yeah.
And there are 100 pom-poms in here. 100. I know, it doesn't really look like 100. Okay.
We need to have the same. Oh,
we don't have to have the same because we don't want to fill the balloon up too much. I'll take all the purples. Oh wait, no, I want to take different colors.
I want to take all the colors.
All of the colors. I don't really care actually.
What colors?
I'm gonna get a yellow one. Hey, save the 2 of the yellow ones. Save 2 of the yellow ones because they're gonna be. 3 of them because we're gonna be using them in another video.
I'm gonna put some.
So yeah, I'm just gonna take this. Okay, these are the pom-poms I'm gonna use.
And these are the pom-poms I'm going to be using.
Oops. I'm just gonna take some. How about you, Pierre? What pom-poms are you gonna use? You got a lot of yellow and orange. You don't have any green or purple. Okay, put them on the table. It's okay. So now you get the clear balloon and try to put all of the pom-poms into the balloon. We don't have any funnel that's big enough for the pom-poms, so this is how we're gonna do it. Since the mouth of the balloon is almost as big as the pom-pom, we're just gonna grab the edge of the mouth of the balloon, push the pom-pom in, and then slide it in. Keep on pushing it until it goes down. Yeah, and then pull it. No, don't stretch it. Just keep on pushing it like that. Yeah. So I'm just gonna fill it up with pom-poms. Better to make DIY fidgets since all of the fidgets now are very expensive because they're very popular and more people would buy it. So that's probably why they put the prices up. Whoa. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm very excited to see the finished product. Because a DNA ball is one of my type of favorite stress balls that I haven't even felt ever yet. And I'm really excited, that's why. How many pom-poms have you got in?
Yeah, Pierre.
Just tell me if you need some help here, okay?
Or me.
Okay. Maybe I'm gonna add a few more because we don't want too much. We don't want the balloon big, otherwise there won't be any space for the hand sanitizer and just be big. And you don't want that, so.
I think I'm done.
Okay, I'm gonna add some more pom-poms until I'm happy with what it looks like.
I just need to put
Maybe you should add a bit more.
I think
because you need to add the hand sanitizer and you can't add lots of hand sanitizer. Maybe add some more Pierre because it's a bit baggy. Yeah? Oh, and also, do you like his new hat? It's very fashionable.
I told him to wear it.
It's
I was
very
using it.
Yes.
Very.
It's true.
I think this is enough pom-poms. I'm gonna wait
this
for
is
them.
gonna be my last
need
pom-pom to put in.
Are you done? Can I see it? See it.
Okay.
Oh, that's too baggy.
I don't know.
Let's put some more here. Here, do you want me to help you?
Why do I feel like I want to add more, but then I also don't? Okay, I'm just gonna add one more. One more. Okay.
Should I add one more? Yeah, I am.
Okay. So I added. This is what I have in my.
You have
balloon.
dark green, light green, and purple. I did all the colors.
Okay.
I just like all the colors.
I'm gonna add some orange then.
There's so much yellow.
Actually,
Not much yellow, but
No, I'm just gonna leave it like that. And then you need to add more. Do you want me to do it for you? So that'll be quicker? No? Okay. Because we don't want it looking baggy. We want it to look a bit like stiff. So then you can squish it more than scratch it. I'm finished putting all of my pom-poms in.
same as me. I was the first one to finish.
Now we just need to wait for Pierre to finish. I think he's almost done.
Yeah, I think that's enough.
I think that's enough because that looks like a lot.
Yeah, let's put that.
Okay, just put that yellow one in, and then we're gonna do the next step.
Yes.
Yay! Okay. Now, after filling up your clear balloon with any pom-pom, it can be any color. It can have be the glitter pom-pom. It can be any type of pom-pom. It just has to be pom-pom. But after putting your pom-poms in, and now you need to add the hand sanitizer. And it can be any hand sanitizer.
I'm
you
gonna
like.
go first.
Jamila's gonna go first. Add 5 squirts.
Okay, wait.
Or 4. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay. Ew,
Did you hear that?
Did you hear it?
Sounded like a fart.
Okay, my turn. I'm just gonna hold the mouth of it and don't squeeze it because the hand sanitizer won't go in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's enough. Now you just need to push all of that hand sanitizer down into the balloon because we're going to be tying it up next, and you don't want any of that hand sanitizer when you tie it. So just push it all the way down to where the
I
balloon
think I'm gonna
is.
add a little bit more.
Add a little bit more? Yeah, I think me too, because I don't think that's enough. Do you think that's enough? I don't know. Maybe add 2 more I'll add 2 more squirts. Whoa, look at yours, Pierre. Push it down, so drag it down. Okay, I'm gonna add 2 more squirts. Move the hand sanitizer.
I'm gonna be so excited.
Okay, that's enough. You're gonna add more Pierre? Okay, now you just, so after putting the hand sanitizer in, just push the hand sanitizer down into where the pom-poms are. The reason why you need hand sanitizer, so then when you squish it, it'll be a bit so then it'll move around more, because if it's just dry pom-poms, it won't really move around, and you want it to be around, moving all around. So, after putting the hand sanitizer in, are you guys finished putting the hand sanitizer?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Before tying it up, make sure to add just a little bit of air, because you don't want it to look like that. We need a bit of air. That's enough.
We're just gonna...
And then just twist it so then the air won't escape out of the mouth of the balloon. And it should look like this, but with your color of pom-poms. Okay. After twisting it like this, I think that's enough. You don't need to twist it anymore. Now you need to tie it. So this is how I tie it. You guys can tie it however you like, but this is how I'm going to tie mine. I'm going to get my 2 fingers, wrap the mouth of the balloon around it. Wait.
I'm done.
Now, I hold the mouth of it with my thumb and get this bit that's in between your 2 fingers and push the end of the balloon into it. And then I take out my 2 fingers and just pull it down like that, and then oh, and then tie it, and then it should look like this. Oh, see, and that is how to make a DNA ball. Do you want to show your DNA ball to them?
Okay, I'm just trying Pierre's one. Here's your one, Pierre.
Look at your DNA ball. Wait, let me see yours. Yes, you can.
DNA
See?
ball.
Do you like it, Pierre? I rate this
Like 9 out of 10.
I rate this a 9 out of 10. Maybe I should have added more
hand sanitizer.
Yeah, it's not that oily. It's that it looks dry. So maybe if you mix it all around, the hand sanitizer. Wait, what if the like pom-pom soaked in the hand sanitizer? Maybe that's why. I'm not sure. I rate this a 9 out of 10 or 9.5 out of 10 because I really like it, but then also I should have added more pom-poms, and you can see like it's getting a bit foggy already. So this is the finished product. Mine is a light green and dark green and dark purple DNA ball.
What's your one, Pierre?
How about your one? Your one is like fiery sort of DNA ball.
My one's all the colors.
Yeah, you just got like a handful of it and put it in the balloon. I really like this. This is really, really fun. Hey, can I try squish yours, Pierre, and you can squish mine? Can I? Oh, I want to squish Pierre's. Wait, Pierre's one is really good too.
Let me try it.
Okay, can I feel Jamila's too? Thank you. Ooh, this is
Can I feel your one, Pierre?
It has a lot of hand sanitizer.
Can I have my one back?
Can I have mine? Thank you. Wow, this was really fun, right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's foggy because of the hand sanitizer.
Yeah, probably why. So that's it for today. I had so much fun making this fidget. Right, guys?
Yeah.
And keep your eye out for our next fidget video. So please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, like, and comment. See you next time. Bye.